Hello students, welcome to online maths class. How are you students? Yes, I am also fine. I hope you are all safe and healthy. Okay students, what did we learn in last class? My dear students, what did we learn in last class? How to draw a shape, measure shape, draw a shape. Okay, today we learn about. Okay students, now we are going to discuss about the topic is symmetry. Okay, you know the symmetry? So today we learn about symmetry. Okay ma? So see the slide. So welcome to online maths class my dear students. So, what is mean by symmetry? So, something is symmetrical when it is the same on both sides. Same on both sides. A shape has symmetry if can a centric dividing line, a mirror line. Okay, so what is that? A mirror line can be drawn on it to show that both sides of the shape are exactly same. Okay, please underline the word. So exactly same. The mirror image is a symmetry. Okay, ma. So what is mean by symmetry? Something is symmetrical when it is the same on the both sides. Okay, a shape has symmetry if a central line. Okay, so for example, see the board. Okay, see the board, ma. So I draw one butterfly. Okay, so this is one butterfly. So what is mean by symmetry? So, symmetrical when it is the same on both sides. Same on both sides. Okay. See the board mark. So, same on both sides. So, equally divide. Okay. So, using the ruler. Okay. Equally divide in one line. A shape has symmetry if a central dividing line, a mirror line. Okay, so central line. So this is the center line. Okay, it's a mirror line. Okay, ma. So can be drawn on it to show that both sides. So both sides of the shape exactly same. So both sides exactly same. So what is that? So symmetrical. Okay, you understand what is mean by symmetry? Okay, ma. See the next slide. So, what are the four types of symmetry? The four main types of symmetry are translation, rotation, reflection, and grid reflection. So, what are the? See the board. Okay, students. See the board. The four. What are the four types of symmetry? So, four types of symmetry. First one is translation. Okay. Second one is rotation. So, what is mean second? Rotation. Third one is reflection. What is that? Reflection. Okay. Fourth one is reflection. Good reflection. Okay. Translation, rotation, reflection, and guilt reflection. So these are the main types of symmetry. Main four types of symmetry. Once again, we recall the four main types of the symmetries are translations, rotations, reflections, and guilt reflections. What are they? So first one is translations, rotations, reflections, and guilt reflections. So these are the main four types of symmetry. Okay, ma? Do you understand? Okay, see the slide. So, what are the four main types of symmetry? Translations, rotations, reflections, and guilt reflections. Okay, do you understand? Yes. Okay. So, what do you mean by symmetry? So, what do you mean by symmetry? Okay. So, see the slide. So, what is mean by symmetry? So, symmetric is defined as balanced. So, defines as balanced and proportionate symmetry which is found in two halves and an object. Okay, two halves and on an object. That is, one half is the mirror image to other half. Okay, one half to mirror image to other half. The imaginary line or axis along which you can fold figure to obtain the symmetrical halves is called of lines is symmetry. Okay, so the imaginary line or axis along which you can fold figure to obtain the symmetrical halves is called the lines of symmetry. Okay, you understand? Okay, see some example. So, see there. So, what is the pictures? So, first one is horton, second one is butterfly, and third one is square. Okay. So, what is mean by symmetry? Symmetry is defined as a balance and a proportionate and similarity which is found in two halves. Okay. So, this is two halves. Okay. First one is a mirror image to second image. Okay, so one half is mirror image of the other half. Okay, for example, draw one horse. Okay, okay, I cut the symmetry. Okay, so this is the mirror image. Okay, so one half is same to other half. So this is the main symmetric. Okay, ma? Do you understand? So, what is that? So, symmetric is defined as a balance and a similarity which is found in two halves of an object. That is, one half is the mirror image of the other half. Okay, so the imaginary line to or axis along which you can fold figure to obtain two symmetrical halves is called a symmetry. So see some example. So this first one is heart. So what is that? So one symmetric. So second one is butterfly. So it's also one symmetric line. So third one is square. Okay. How many lines are there? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. 4 symmetric lines are there. Okay. See there. Okay, ma. So next one. So, see the slide. So, what is the symmetric in simple words? Okay. So, the mathematically symmetric means that one shapes become exactly like other when you move in some way. Okay. Turn, flip or slide. For the two objects to be symmetrical, they must to be the same size, shape with an object having different ornations from the first. Okay, so this is main important. So what is that? Mathematically symmetrical means that one shape becomes exactly like other. One shape becomes exactly other shape. Okay, so see there. So this is one shape, exactly other shape. Okay, exactly other shape. Right hand side and left hand sides are equal. So this is a mirror image. Okay, do you understand, my dear students? So what is the next one? So, real life examples of symmetry. Do you know real life examples? So, reflection of trees in a clear water and reflections of mountains in a lake. Okay. So, wings of most butterflies are identical on the left and right sides. Okay. See, some human faces are the same on the left side and the right side. Okay. See there. So, left side and right side. Okay. So, this is right side and this one is left side. Okay. Some human faces also same on left side and right side. Okay. People can also have a symmetry. Must. Okay. Do you understand, ma? So, real life examples, some examples. So, trees. Okay. Reflections of trees in a clear water and reflections mountains in a lake. Wings of most butterflies. Okay. Most butterflies. Okay. Identical or identically on the left and right sides are equal. Okay, ma? So, students, do you understand this topic? Yes. Okay. Okay, ma. Students, you take a page number 85. Take a page number 85. Okay. So, an object is said to have symmetry when its one half looks exactly like its other half. Okay, exactly other half. Take a look at the butterfly. Okay, so look at the butterfly picture. Okay. Okay, ma. So look at the butterfly picture. So the wings on the left side look exactly like the wings on the right side. Okay. Thus, we can say that the wings of the butterfly are symmetrical. Okay. The butterfly are symmetrical. So the line that divides an object, here butterfly, is equal into two parts. So is equal into two parts. Okay, so this equal into two parts. So it's called a line of symmetry. So what is the meaning? So line of symmetry. So this is line of, okay, this is called a line of symmetry. Okay, ma. So students, so an object is said to have symmetry when its one half looks exactly other half. One half look exactly other half. Okay. So the wings on the left side look exactly like on the wings right side. Okay, so exactly right side look, left side look and right side looks are equal. So this is called line of symmetry. What does this mean? So this is the line of symmetry. Okay, ma? You understand? Okay. So next one, the line that divides one object into two equal parts is called a line of symmetry. So this is called a line of symmetry. Okay, you understand? Okay, so this is called a line of symmetry. Okay, so what is the next one? Line of symmetry is different shapes. Okay, do you know the shapes, ma? Okay, see the board. So, what is the shape? So, this is square. So, what is the shape? Square. Okay. What is the shape, ma? What is this shape? So, this is rectangle. Okay. So, what is this shape? So, this is square and this shape is rectangle. Okay. So, lines of symmetry in different shapes. Okay. Students, you take a page number 85. Students, take a page number 85. Okay, what is the first shape? So the shape is rectangle. Okay, how many lines of symmetries are there? So it's divided into two equal parts first. Okay, so both sides are equal. Okay, right side and left sides are equal. So these. So this is first line. So second line also equal now. Okay, so use in a ruler only. Okay, use in a ruler. Okay, so divide into equal parts. So this is the first line. So this one is second line. Okay, so this is the vertical line and this one is horizontal line. So the lines of symmetry 2. So the rectangle lines of symmetry. Okay, the lines of symmetry equal to 2. Okay, the lines of symmetry is equal to 2. So what is the next one? Square. Okay, so first divide 1, so 2, and corners also divide 3 and 4. How many symmetrical lines? So lines of symmetry square have 4. Okay, so 4 lines of symmetry. Okay, ma? You understand how many lines? 1. Okay, so 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this shape, rectangle shape. So the rectangle have lines of symmetry 2. The lines of symmetry 2. Okay, you understand? Okay. So what is the next shape? Pentagon. So next shape. So next shape, pentagon and hexagon. Okay. So this is pentagon. This shape is pentagon. So this one is this shape is hexagon. Okay. So first pentagon divide into symmetry. Okay. So pentagon has how many lines of symmetry? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So see the picture. So once again we see one example. Okay, students. So next one is pentagon lines of symmetry 5. So lines of symmetry 5. So next one is hexagon. Hexagon lines of symmetry 6. Hexagon lines of symmetry 6. Okay, see the board. Okay, so what is the next one? Diamond. So diamond lines of symmetry 2. Diamond diamond. Okay, so lines of symmetry 2. Okay, ma. So next one circle. So what is the next one? Circle. Okay. So lines of symmetry infinite. So lines of symmetry. So what is the answer? So infinite. Infinite. Okay. So diamond. So once again we recall. So lines of symmetry in different shapes. Take a page number 85. So first one is rectangle. So rectangle have lines of symmetry 2. So rectangle lines of symmetry 2. So second one is square. So what is the second one? Square. So lines of symmetry 4. Lines of symmetry 4. So next one pentagon. So next one pentagon. So lines of symmetry 5. Lines of symmetry 5. So what is the next one? Hexagon. So what is the next one? Hexagon. So lines of symmetry 6. Lines of symmetry 6. Okay. So next one diamond. So what is the next one? Diamond. So lines of symmetry 2. Lines of symmetry 2. So what is the next one? Circle. What is the next one? Circle. So lines of symmetry infinite. So what is that? Infinite. Do you understand, ma? Okay. See the next slide. So students, you take a page number 86. See the slide, ma. So you take a page number 86. So take objects that are symmetrical and cross out the ones that are asymmetrical. Okay? Asymmetrical. Draw a line of symmetry to check the object are symmetrical. Okay? So first one is wrong. Okay, so we don't draw a symmetrical. First one is wrong. Okay, first one is wrong. Okay, second one is also wrong. C also wrong. So D is the correct answer. Okay, so butterfly has a yes, symmetry picture. Okay, so divide into two. Okay, so what is the next picture? So next one also right. Okay, so please point out mark in the book. So next one is one of the picture is also correct. Okay, students write fast. Your time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, ma? You understand? Okay. So, first we recall. So, first one is wrong. Second, D is wrong. Third also wrong. So, D option is correct. This is correct answer. And E also a symmetric picture. And F also symmetric picture. Okay. So, I draw the last three symmetrics. Okay. So, butterfly, okay, second picture, home, third picture, okay, so this is a symmetric line, okay, see the board mark. So, this is a symmetric line and this is also symmetric line and this line also symmetric line. So these are the symmetric pictures. Okay. First three pictures are symmetrical, non-symmetrical, asymmetrical pictures. Okay. First three pictures are asymmetrical. These pictures are symmetrical. Okay. Do you understand now? Okay. So what is the next question? So classify the object as symmetrical or asymmetrical in the table below. Okay. First we identify. So which one is symmetrical and asymmetrical? Students, please identify. Then you get the answer. Have a time. Okay. 5 seconds. Okay, ma? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. Okay, so you identify this. Okay, ma. See the board. So first one is symmetrical. Students, you take a pencil and write in the page number 86. So symmetrical, and second one is asymmetrical. Okay, so what is the first picture? So first one is flower. Okay, what is the first one? First one is flower. So this is symmetrical or asymmetrical, ma? Very good. So flower is the symmetrical. Okay, so what is the next one? So next picture, tree. Next picture, tree. So this is also symmetrical picture. Okay, tree. Okay, so what is the next one? So next picture, chair. So this is asymmetrical. So this is asymmetrical picture. And this is asymmetrical picture. Okay, so chair is asymmetrical. Okay, so what is the next one? Next picture, smiley. So divide into two pictures. Okay, divide into symmetry. So this is a symmetry. Okay, smiley. Smiley. Okay, so what is the next picture? Lamp. Lamp also a symmetry. So what is the next picture? So bicycle. Bicycle also. Okay. So bicycle also asymmetry. So what is the next picture? Flag. So flag is divided into picture symmetrical. So this is the symmetrical. Okay. So what is the question mark? So classify the object as symmetrical or asymmetrical in the table below. Okay, so symmetrical, so flower is a symmetrical picture, tree and smiley and flag. Okay, so asymmetricals are chair, lamp and bicycle. So these are the asymmetrical picture. Okay, so students, so how to identify symmetrical and asymmetrical today? Okay, students, today class is very interesting. Okay, students, homework for you. So, if any select fruits, vegetables, letters. Okay, so you write in a you divide into symmetrical and asymmetrical. Okay, so which one is symmetrical and which one is asymmetrical? Fruits, vegetables, letters, or anything. Okay, so do this homework, smart. Okay, thank you so much, my dear students. Take care. Bye.